Oh my fucking god, you screwed that thing up bad.
Oh my god.
No!
Oh, is it that bad? No way.
Ain't no problem for me. Daddy Rob Dom told us to put it in there. I got nothing.
No oil pressure.
No. Welcome to Center Car Show. We are working on our Rotary RX7 race car. Last time we saw it, took it to the Willow Springs and broke it.
Insert clip here.
Last weekend, we decided to take everything apart and figure out what was wrong. We knew there was some problem with the axle as well as it had a blown tire. And the first thing we found is actually the tire blew not because of a debeating, but because the brake pad flew out of the caliper and busted the tire.
That usually doesn't happen like that.
What's the line? Double
Double
Oh, wait, are there brakes on this thing? Dude, there's missing a brake pad.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's not there.
There is no brake. We didn't ever check this.
Oh my god. That was just rotor on metal.
Okay, well I guess we just pull this thing apart and see what happens.
I guess we just have another thing on the list, huh? We need brake pads.
Then we started pulling more things apart and we realized that the axle broke.
Okay.
Moment of truth. How far is it broken?
That's so long.
Oh, me.
No.
Oh, no!
How
How are we gonna get that out of there? Dude, you snapped that bitch good!
Oh my god. Ideal case scenario, it would have been broken down here. So like, we could just easily pull the whole rod out. Sam has devised a plan with this very nifty tool that he
Show
has.
how long it is. It's almost the same
just-
length, which is hilarious.
Which is hilarious. We got some footage of it because you can actually see the end of this in here. And
Just try to pull it. It won't come out, it's okay. Just try your best.
oh, it just dropped down at the very end. Oh, I can't like, I'll lose it. Like, that's as far as my fingers will go and it hasn't touched it yet.
Let's tie a wrench onto the end of it.
Yeah, like can we, yeah.
Let's make it longer, let's make it longer.
We did some damage. All right, here we go.
Okay, shove it in there.
Oh, my leg just went off.
Okay, we need a strong magnet. Okay, I have an idea. We take a PVC pipe. You know those little hooks you put on like your fridge, like hold shit, the really strong magnets?
Yeah.
And it holds like hundreds of pounds or whatever?
Yeah.
We get one of those, and we get a piece of PVC that's bigger than it.
Right, and we put it
And we
in
put
there.
it on the end of it, facing magnet outside out, we tape it up, make sure it's all locked in, we just I mean, it's either we do that or we pull the whole diff. So it's like, do we try the easy
Do we
way?
think we can get it out with a magnet?
In theory, we could.
I think if we MacGyvered it, I think we could get it.
Later.
And
we don't want to pull this diff.
Oh, we really don't.
We really don't want to pull a diff.
You're getting to it, yeah?
I'm getting close to it. Oh. I'm on it right now.
Okay.
I'm
Just be gentle.
Slowly pull. I guess it's got to be a stronger magnet. Or you just got to remove the diff. If you want to mess with it for a minute, you can.
Yeah, I will.
Alright. I'm having a feeling we're going to be pulling the diff on this thing. Yeah, we got to pull the other axle out first. Put it aside. And then we can pull the diff. We just got to break the housing loose, drain all the fluids out, disconnect the drive shaft, the whole thing. We got to lift the thing up way higher, too. Yeah. Kind of sucks.
Damn it.
The axle slightly lean to the side.
There you go.
Get this off. Oh, I can get it out. It's okay.
Oh, whoa, nice.
Oh, I got it. Never mind.
You good? Nice. Holy shit, bro.
Oh! No, we were never getting that thing out. Holy shit.
Can we see it?
Yeah, it's right there.
There it is. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god, you screwed that thing up bad. look at the twist. See it?
Twisted the whole axle.
All the splines are curved at the bottom there. Well, at least we got it out. How you feel? Have you ever pulled a diff before?
No, I actually haven't. But between then, I went and found a brand new axle, brand new to us, but very old, and got new bearings pressed on and the plate that is specific for it. As you can see, this has the disc brake.
The drum brake.
Drum brake. Took this off, put the disc brake stuff on this one so we can make it work.
And we got a fresh ass, what is this again? What's the type?
R888R.
R888R.
Okay. Hopefully this isn't too difficult. I'm gonna use a little of this oil in here. Lube this guy up.
Gross.
Gross cooties.
Oh, you gotta line up the teeth.
Yeah, you gotta find where it goes in. There it is.
Oh. Is that it?
Where's my hammer?
Keep hammering it.
It's going soft.
Move your left hand.
It is.
Yeah, it looks like it's all the way in. Hell yeah.
Wouldn't this has been really easy the day we did it the first time?
Yeah, I think we could have done it that one day. We just didn't have it. What, and I think to test it at the end of the day, we'll take it on like a single lap around the neighborhood.
Really?
I mean, it's loud as fuck, but if we keep it in first,
I don't think you remember how loud this is.
I mean,
I don't think we have to
maybe we
test
just go around the driveway?
Maybe we start and just pull it backward. It's loud as shit.
I don't like my neighbors though, it's cool.
I get it, but was it 5 or was it 6? This one doesn't want to go on. What the? Oh, wait. Shit, dude. This one's like run out a little bit. Why is it always a problem?
Oh, is it that bad?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, let me get tap set up here, back. Hoping that there's enough threads here to actually fix it. Basically, I get this thing super straight.
Then you gotta run it through.
Cool, I can get on the backside.
You want me to hold the hub?
Once I get right here, it should be fine.
I see what you're saying.
I think we're good. Thank Jesus Christ.
Oh, hey,
Oh.
hey,
Hey!
Is there like a securing bolt that
Nope.
we have for it? Sick.
So you want to put the whole caliper on, or we get the caliper on and you put the...
I'll do the caliper. Ain't no,
Alright, cool.
ain't no,
Well, the caliper
ain't no
bolts down here.
problem.
Ain't no problem for me. That one definitely just sits that way. Okay, you good. Ooh, you okay? Yeah.
I'm struggling today.
Oh, here, wait. Where's the wrench?
Yeah, it's moving for sure.
Do we loosen it doing what we did before? Do the back side. Yeah.
Both sides are done, and now we're gonna put the wheels on. And Sam's pissed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're doing gear oil.
You're gonna get up again? At least one of the full ones.
Oh, that wasn't me. That was gear oil.
This one you should get about 3/4 of it in. And then basically it'll be dripping out that. Stick your like pinky in there and see if it's like right at the top.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's right there?
Yeah. I'll give it another little splash.
Oh yeah, it's good now. You're good. Diff is done. We're gonna see if it moves because it didn't move before, and so we're gonna see if it moves now, and also change the oil because
we needed to do that.
Because we had money shifted it. All right. Ready? Yeah. Oh!
Good. Oh my God.
Am I up there?
Yeah, you're up.
You gonna get oil everywhere?
I think I'm just gonna try to crack it first.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Nice.
You want to pour it in here?
We're basically putting VR1. VR1 is the absolute shit. Daddy Rob Dom told us to put it in there.
Basically, if you have a Rotary and you're not listening to Daddy Rob Dom and you haven't bought a Jack's Rotary shirt, you're fucking up.
Like gold. Glub, 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 glub.
Okay.
That's pretty much that.
Well, let's get it back off these ramps and let's
check her out. Let's check our level.
I'm gonna let it crank for a second before I turn my ignition.
Okay.
Just cranking for pressure.
Yeah.
I'm not getting oil pressure either. I got nothing.
No oil pressure.
No. So basically, when I go start the car, and I started cranking, and got no oil pressure whatsoever, which is one, odd. Two, and it has like 75 or 80 psi oil pressure. And even during cranking, it has like 20. It has none right now, so that means it's not picking up oil. My guess is just it all is
super low. It's all just
super low.
Oh,
oh shit,
that's full. At least it
full
looks
as hell. I guess I'll just let it run. If it
it's still at a tilt, you know.
doesn't, maybe we start flat.
Keep going. Hell yeah. No, yeah, no. No pressure.
Yeah, good pressure. Okay, it's fine. So I just started it, ran it for a little bit, shut off the fuel pump. I watched the water temp come up. Water temp's at 130, so I know where our sensors are working, and it got warmed up a little bit. But I think we're pretty chill.
So you think it's ready to go back to the track?
I think it's time to take a trip to Willow Springs. Oh fuck!